Hello everyone, and welcome to the OneAttention software. In this video, I'll show you how to take an adhesion force measurement. I'm using the Sigma 700, but this measurement mode is also compatible with the 701. Adhesion force characterizes the force needed to detach a droplet of liquid from a surface using an adhesion force probe. Before you get started, clean the probe with an oxidizing flame to remove any contaminants. Then dip the probe into your liquid of interest to collect a droplet. Today we are using water. Hang the probe on the balance hook. In the OneAttention software, click on the Adhesion Force Measurement mode and name your experiment in the Recipe tab. Scroll down to Control Parameters and enter your number of measurement rounds. Today I'm doing 3 consecutive measurements. You can change other parameters, but the default settings work well in this case. Use the membrane pad to move the sample up, then click play. The probe is moved to the surface to make contact and pauses for the amount of time specified in the Recipe tab. 8 seconds is the default. This allows the droplet to settle on the surface before measuring. After the pause, the droplet is separated from the surface slowly. In the live data graph, you can see the adhesive force as a function of position. The data for each measurement appear in the table on the right. The process repeats for the number of times you specified in the Recipe tab. Switch to the Analysis Navigation tab and open your measurement. The table displays the adhesion force measurements. Switch to the Measure Data Graph tab to see a graph of the adhesion force as a function of position. And that's how to take an adhesion force measurement with the OneAttention software. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get the most out of your instrument. Happy experimenting, and we'll see you next time. Visit us at nanoscience.com for more information.